You are welcome to this life-changing video that will make you a wealth builder, not a wealth destroyer. My name is Ambrose Omodio, the Chief Research Officer of investdata and also economist in StocksWatch newspaper, Daily Independent newspaper, Finance and Investment Watch, and also I convey seminars to teach people on how to invest using technical analysis, fundamental and street analysis, combining all this form of analysis to make informed decision in equity market that will transform your life. It's nice we are meeting through this medium today, and I believe after this you have cause to rejoice. Yeah, with my wealth of experience in equity, equity investments, I think what really make the difference between you and the man there is information and knowledge you have. Invest blindly or running a business without knowledge, you run into no problem. But having understand how the stock market operates and information coming out from the stock market, you can make investable decision that will change your life for good and for better. Are you investing today for your future? Are your investment goals in line with what you are expecting? Which stocks are you buying? Yes, in this area, before you go to equity investment, you need to set a goal. There are some that are investing for long term, some are investing for short term. All depends your source of fund. Yes, if you are working, you are below 30, you are planning for your retirement. Yeah, you might be buying for the future. Piling up stocks that when you retire, fine. Okay, if you are making equity investment, your source of fund, your source of survivor, that means you are a trader. You have all this going down. That will now determine the kind of stock you will buy. If you are buying for retirement, you go for those growing stocks that you know that they have potential to continue in existence. If you are buying for trade, you enter a stock that has a move today, there's momentum, you sell off the next 2 weeks, after 1 month, all depends on you. But now if you are investing for long term, that means you are planning retirement, you look for those blue chip equities that you know that yes, they will even for years to come they will still be in existence. Like I think people that invested in Nestle when Nestle was at 8 naira, at 18 naira, today it's about 1,200. No, if they are a long-term investor, they've even recouped their initial investment and still making money in stock. If you're a trader, you can buy a stock this morning, after 2 weeks, a week, you have made 20%, 10%, you have made 100%, 50%, you can exit in the stock. That means you need to know the kind of stock to enter at the right time. I mentioned the kind of stock you buy. Are you buying blue chips? If you are planning your retirement and you want your fund to be protected, you might be buying blue chips, fine. Oh, to preserve your money. If you're a trader, you want to enter a penny stock that you can buy today, the next 2 weeks the stock appreciates, fine. But if you want to protect your fund again, I think most people prefer going into blue chip stocks that they know that there's consistent in this stock paying dividend and their earnings are growing. A penny stock that can go up today can equally also go down the next day and you lose all your fund. That's why if you're a trader in the market, you combine this penny and blue chip stocks to protect your capital and also preserve your fund, which at the same time makes your risk manageable. Yes, which sector are you investing at this particular time? Where are you playing? Are you investing in the banking sector? Are you in the oil and gas sector? Are you in the healthcare sector? Are you in the insurance sector? Or are you in the building material sector? Then this will go a long way to guide your investment. I said any sector that is highly regulated, your chance of making money is slim. In the banking sector, you can see what is happening as we speak today. Because of overregulation, that sector has remained even stable in terms of return, not making much for investors. But when you look at the construction industry or the building material industry, see that sector, due to strong earnings and the way the sector operates, you can see that they have returned a lot of huge funds for investment in terms of return because the company results are also positive. Also, if you look at the healthcare sector, you can see also that means for you to diversify your portfolio, you need to know how to select the sectors, and also this sector you are selecting. Right from you also look at government policy that impart on that sector, since Goodluck took over the leadership of Nigeria, to become the president of Nigeria, you see that there's a sector that has been favored because Aganga has been moved to Ministry of Investment, who is also encouraging investors to come to Nigeria to invest. That means the real sector of the economy will be looking up. If you are playing that sector, which is the manufacturing sector, it will go off. You make money. You might be thinking long or short, but only that know the right sector to follow at the right time and make money with it. Fill the form below so that we're able to inform you about the next comment seminar on how to make money in equity investment. As we speak, are you making returns or losses in this market? Yes, it depends on how you are playing this market. If you are informed and you are knowledgeable about this market, I think you will reduce your loss and make more profit. But if you are still sitting on the fence because you got your figure bond early, 4 years ago, because the market died and you lost your capital, I think you should come back to the market at this point and get the reading, because our market has really transformed. The new NSC, Director General and SEC, they've reformed the market to make the market stable. A market where foreigners are playing, that they really understand the market is becoming more interesting. Come back, and I believe we'll teach you more on how to make return in this market by investing in more profitable equities. Not even though in US, not all listed equities are investable, no matter what it is. That means there are some stocks that today you can invest and still make money, while some are still as low as it is 4 years ago because of information. We need to carry along. Fill the form below so that you get more details of free report, and these are all free. In our next discussion, we'll also discuss how to make returns and reduce your losses. What are your investment strategies that puts money in your pocket? This is the right time you should choose a strategy, or less you are just following the bad wagon. You need to identify what works for you. What works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B, because you have different research background, you have different knowledge about the market. But when you network with people that you share with others share with you, it will make you to be a better investor. But develop a strategy that works for you, that puts money in your pocket. Today, technical analysis is becoming the order of the day in our market. Why? Because our market has opened to international standard. You people in US are charting our market, in UK are charting our market. You need to follow suit. Fundamental is always good in any investment. Fundamental is key. But for you to know when to take position in a stock, you need to chart a stock. After you identify the fundamental strength of that stock, is it the right time for you to enter that stock? That is why you have to look for technical analysis to know whether you are to position in that stock and when to exit. Yes, fundamental might still be okay, but the price that you could tell them that this is the time to exit this price. Yeah, the fundamental is still there. That is why a long-term investor might say they don't use technical analysis because they are holding. But a trader, you need other tools to support so that you know when to enter a stock and when to go out of it. And we're going to discuss more on this program. That is why you need to fill the form below so it will be carry you along and you get information freely on how to make money in equity market. You need to make money because the market is booming. Especially in 2014, I see a market that is going to rally and you need to be in the market before. Let the rally meet you in the market, not you rolling after the rally. You have to take position right now in the market before the rally comes in 2014. Now, I was telling my colleagues, I've charted Nigerian markets for over 20 years. There is always a particular trend that market maintains. Around January to April, you see market going up. Even though it's fluctuates, you will see an uptrend. Why? Our market will operate reward system that every company wait for end of the year to pay dividend. I know Nigerian equity, those companies that has December as year end are more than those that has other month as year end. That means after their 90 days automated to review the result for the start paying fine. If the results are coming, I'm telling you, it will change the face of the market. People want to partake what the company want to declare. That's why I see that period. See, a lot of activities in the market. You need to be in the market before this activity starts so that you can make money. Yes, I'm telling you, as you are discussing the guys to make money in equity markets today and preserve your capital, you need to stay glued to our programs. That is why you need to feed the form below so that we'll carry you along on our next meeting or our next discussion on the right strategy to use in this market. Like what I discussed in the last seminar we hold, I was telling people that what we call momentum investing and what we call value investing. Momentum investing, you need to know the stock that has momentum, that is moving. Can I key, especially if you're a trader? But if you're a long-term investor, you look for value investing, you look for company that has earnings that people have not identified, identify that stock and keying. You need to understand all this, and we're going to discuss them on this platform free. You need to fill the form below as we look forward for our next meeting. Okay, as we look forward to get a free report on how to make money in equity investment.